Hi, and thanks for joining this high-level demonstration of how an agent handles an inbound voice interaction using Omningage. As an agent, I can see there's one contact currently waiting in the queue. I will go and change my status to available to accept the inbound call. The behavior of the application changes seamlessly to accommodate the voice interaction. The agent is presented with relevant information relating to the customer. We have the customer's name and their contact number and the length of time we've been connected as an available agent. There is a CTI bar across the top, so there are a number of different functions the agent can perform. You can conference the call, you can consult a member of your team, you can transfer the call to another agent or different department. This is where you would hold the call, mute the call, and eventually you would terminate the call here. We can introduce manual pause and resume, which can be enabled or disabled. But as you can see, the recording has started because I agreed for the call to be recorded in the IVR line. The agent can see interaction history. This is a detailed overview of all the previous times the customer has made contact with the contact center. The agent can review previous wrap-ups and tags or outcome codes and any notes that the agent left previously. If you choose to enable it, you can access voice transcripts and you can even play back the call recording. These things can be enabled or, of course, disabled. The agent also has access to a customer journey visualization. Now, this is all about improving the situational awareness of the agent. So I can see the exact journey path the customer took through the IVR right up to being connected as an available agent. I can also see that it took 2 minutes and 32 seconds for the customer to enter the queue and get connected to the available agent. We can also show customer information. So there's up to 50 different custom variables that can be shown, so we can get more information relating to the customer. For example, you can see that security was passed in the IVR line, so this agent doesn't have to ask lots of data protection questions. Everything was done in the IVR line. When an agent handles a call in Omningage, we can surface third-party applications in the form of an iframe or a screen pop. So for example, this agent has access to knowledge management. From here, perhaps they were looking to change a customer's address. They can click on that article and then they have a step-by-step guide on how to navigate a customer through the change your address process. So ultimately, we can link third-party applications to the Omningage desktop to avoid the agent having to toggle through multiple applications. Everything can be neatly contained in one single universe for the agent. Naturally, agents can leave comprehensive notes relating to the interaction, and you can save those away. So if the customer contacts in the future, those notes will be made available. You do also have the ability to create tasks. You can name the task, give it a description. You can assign the task to a member of the team and even select an appropriate date and time. And just like when you saw the call landing with the agent, the task will be presented to that relevant member of staff. At the end of the call, the agent will then record the reason for contact, and they can do that by using categories, wrap-ups, and tags. In this instance, we'll select the new booking category, and that will open up wrap-ups that are associated with new bookings. By having 3 layers of capture, of course, there are very granular reports that can be born out of capturing this important information. When the call's completed, the agent simply ends the call, goes into a short amount of wrap-up. Once the wrap-up time has been complete, the agent is then brought back to the desktop seamlessly to answer any other customer inquiries. I'd like to thank you for joining this short demonstration, and if you have any questions, please get in contact. Thank you again.